our beautiful dreams to life.
Is that done?
What we're going to do with this big beam is, you can see we've basically got our 45 right here. There's going to be this deck's going to get cut off on a 45. So we're going to put a beam starting basically right here and going right out to the far end of the deck. Underneath all of this, that'll hold up this deck. So that beam's going to go on its side, and then there's going to be 6x6 posts put in the ground underneath it to support that. That will then go on top of it at the right height, depending on what we want to do here. If we want to slope out of the house or whatever, we can achieve all that. We cut the posts off afterwards, get the beam perfect, and then the deck sits back on top of the beam. Okay, so what we're trying to do here is, this is actually the upper landing. This is going right up to about here. And what I'm trying to do is, we'd like to have a 45 in this corner and a 45 in that corner, just for looks. And then the next landing out has the same thing. As you can see the orange spray paint lines down here on the ground. So we're trying to basically achieve that, give or take. So right now I am literally just working out this to make it a 45-degree angle.